Welcome to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a rotate screen project in Python. So let's get started. Now you might be thinking what app I'm using or what IDE I'm using. I'm using Visual Studio Code. So you can go and press Visual Studio Code, download in Google, and then ta-da, you have it. So click the first link, which is https go.visualstudiocode.com. Okay. Next thing is that open it and you can click on create a folder, and then you can click this to create a random file like hello test.py. Now before you also do that, you'll need to go to extension and type Python. So you can go to the first one and click that to install. So you can click install. I already have it installed. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to be showing you how you can rotate your screen using Python. Now we'll need modules. What are modules? Modules are basically libraries in Python. So we can go and click cmd for command prompt. And first we need to install pip install rotate screen. I already have it installed. We already have it installed. So that's why showing this. Next thing I need is pip install win32 API. And yeah, I already have it installed. So first we have to press import rotate screen. Now don't import win32 API. What does this import does? It imports a module, a library, so you can use all the functions inside it. Now why am I not importing win32 API? Because that rotate screen works with win32 API. But instead of adding it with the win32 API, you have to download it separately. All modules do not need to be installed, okay? Like if I press import, import, already have a lot of modules installed. So first we can set our screen to rotate screen dot get primary display. So what will that do? It will get our display. Next thing you can do is screen dot now what? You have to set it to this rotate to and click any number you want, like 90. If I test it out, yeah, my whole screen is flipped. Now you can just go here and I'll just change it back to 0 for the video. And yeah, that is how you can create your own rotate screen project in Python. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh video time is out.